It's been a while since I had these braids in. I think it's been maybe like a month, probably longer than that. They still look pretty good, but this is the perfect time to have fun with it and start styling it. It's been a little while, so I've already gotten used to wearing them just down and out, and now I can really experiment with different looks because all of my roots are loosened up, so it won't be causing any tension on my real hair. I'm just going to be showing you today some of my favorite looks that I like to do. For this first hairstyle, I'm taking all my hair and putting it right behind me, and then I'm just going to braid it. I don't like to braid it all the way to the end because I like the way it looks when there's like a lot of hair flowing. And then I'm going to take a satin ribbon and tie off the end so it doesn't become unraveled. You can do this with any kind of fabric, but I think the satin really makes this style look formal. First, I'm gonna take 2 braids out in the front. You don't have to do this, but I feel like it really adds to the framing of the face. And then I'm gonna take a silk scarf, make it into a triangle, and tie it behind my head. It's a cute little cottagecore style. And the back of it is dirty because I put it onto my desk and my desk had black eyeshadow. So we're gonna ignore that because I literally just washed it. For this one, I parted my braids to the side and then did a little mini twist. And then for the other side, I made a little side swoop and then tucked it behind my ear. I think the swoop definitely makes it classy. This one's a little bit harder to see just because I have so much hair out. Maybe you could add more braids here in the twist, or just do this hairstyle when your braids are a little bit more fresh. For this next hairstyle, you're gonna need 2 butterfly clips, and I'm just taking the 3 closest braids to the front middle section and pinning them back. Very early 2000s. For this next hairstyle, we're doing something a little bit similar, but we're taking more braids and we're going to pin the front. Okay, Charlie. And we're going to put the hair up into 2 ponytails, but don't be like me and forget that you wanted to leave your 2 front braids out, because this was a lot of work to undo. I think this look is so cute. I don't know why it's giving me like rave vibes. I don't know. I just love it. This next one is very simple. I just split my hair down the middle and on each side I braided them. fluffed out the braids because I wanted the braids to be really accentuated and full looking. And then after, for a little extra razzle dazzle, I put on a pink bucket hat, which I think completes the look because I kind of don't like how two braids look from the back, but when you have something covering it, it really makes it look so much better. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to extend the braids all the way down until I only have about a couple inches left of the exposed hair. And then I'm going to wrap it around my head, starting going to the back first, and then the ends would land on the top of my head. This is important because you want the little end pieces to be tucked right behind your ear. Depending on what kind of braiding hair you have, you might want to do something different with the ends. The hair I have is curled at the bottom, so I don't think it's going to unravel. So I actually let out one of the hair ties right here. But I figured I'd let you guys see, just in case you still wanted some extra security, what a hair tie would look like. It's easy to position and hide it like right behind your ear, so it's not that noticeable. This is what the back looks like. For this next one, I'm doing my own take on the Princess Leia space buns. I like the buns, but I feel like when you have no hair left out, it's a little, I don't know, I don't want to say boring, but like I just need a little extra oomph. So I wrapped my hair up, but in the back, I left some hair out and didn't wrap up the whole entire bun, just so that I could have almost like two ponytails of hair coming down. And I really feel like this makes this hairstyle so much cuter, so different, because I never see anyone do anything like this, and this is one of my favorites. This would also be super cute if you made these into high buns. And it wouldn't be a video about my favorite hairstyles if we didn't throw in the high ponytails. And you can definitely go the extra mile and take some hair and wrap it around your hair tie. This is definitely like a, I'm kind of lazy, but I still want to look cute look. For this next one, I had an idea of what I wanted, but I was kind of winging it. So I sectioned off the front half of my hair and put the back half up in a high ponytail. And then I took the front half of my hair, parted on the side, and then tied it in a low ponytail directly underneath the high one. This is important because you want to hide the lower ponytail. You want to make it look like you have an extended high ponytail. If you do it right, you shouldn't be able to see the low ponytail. And if someone can, tell them to back up because they're supposed to be 6 feet away. This is the OG go-to high ponytail. If you see me on the street, this is usually what I'm wearing. I'm running to the grocery store. I'm running outside to walk the dog. I'm laying in bed. Oh my God, high ponytail is like is just everything, especially with such long hair. It's just nice to get it up and out of your face sometimes. So for this next one, it's kind of a slick back look. I took down 2 of the front braids, and then for the rest, I just pinned back the sides, and I thought it ended up being really nice. I should do this one more often. I don't think I did it tight enough, but if you really did it the proper way, I'm sure it would like lift your face up. This next style I think is so underrated just because of how simple it is. It's just a low bun with extra hair sticking out. I don't know why, but something about this seems so dressy, and like if there was a way to make a bun more formal, like this would be it. This one's very simple. I just have it down, but I feel like I forget to accessorize my hair. Like, you put on jewelry, you wear a handbag, you accessorize your body, like do it to your hair. And we're back where we started. One thing I've been thinking about experimenting with, since this is closer to the end of the life of these braids, is rolling them up in like a massive curler, a really wide one, and then dipping it in hot water so that I have some curl or like a wave to the end of these braids. But I don't think I'm gonna show all that in this video, but that's just another idea. These long skinny braids are so versatile. I hope this helps somebody who's looking for different kinds of styles. A lot of these styles I haven't seen anyone else do, but they're all personal favorites of mine. Thanks for hanging out.